We started making music in the summer, and I guess it was just like I had an overflow of emotion. Sean and Eli are totally just nicknames.
Yeah.
It's funny because like
Sheila.
those are names. Sheila.
We are Sheila.
I find it great that you find me so secure, and I like to stay up late and watch the late show. Been to New Jersey, I find it kind of boring. If I have to go back, I swear I'll destroy it. I sold my soul, my batteries are separately sold as you bleed to be someone new. And I found it good to see you again. My friends left, now I'm sadder. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? And I'm problematic, neurotic, one systematic, pragmatic. You seem traumatic, you do. And I cannot stop these stars. Tonight's in floor as it drop from the top. But I love you. I own a monkey business. And I own a monkey business. And I own a monkey business. And I own a monkey business. Fix your face, put a smile right in this place. I know I'm slow, but how did you win this race? And I think out loud, my hand is in the clouds. I can't speak, oh well, it's your fault, it's your fault. Sticks and stones.
What was it? It was
Kurt
Cobain is
died.
Jesus?
Yeah, because Jesus died. No, Jesus came back on Easter, and Kurt Cobain died on Easter. Therefore, Kurt Cobain is Jesus.